the first second that we met. You held my hand and didn't know what. You in my arms for the rest of my life. Short guys, another story, another patuloy natin. Another song mula kay Sir Zack Tabudlo. Ang title naman nito ay Feel This Way. So madali lang ito guys, 2 parts lang ata, 2 to 3 parts. Simple version na ito kasi mga simple lang naman ang chords na ginamit. Start na kaagad, ito mga chords, intro versus chorus, para may mga chords ginamit, madali lang. Pakita ko muna ito. Ang first chord ay simple G, madali lang. Okay, then second chord ay isang D sus over F. So pwede na ito, D over F sharp. So basta ganyan lang. So mula dito ganyan lang. Yan, so madali lang, no? Dito fourth string yan. Third string, and then dito bass F sharp. So hold on tong dalawa, hold on to, okay? Mula dito, then third string ito, then dito sa F sharp note. So pause nyo lang sa mga beginners, i-pause nyo lang para makopyan. Third string at ito, mula dito. And then third chord ay isang remove tong dalawa, so E minor 7. So itong dalawa pa rin dito. And then last chord sa intro at verses at chorus ay pagkatapos ito, ito pa rin dalawa. So C add 9, ito dalawa. So mula dito naman. So yan, C, ganyan note ng C add 9. Okay? So G, remove, then ito, and then remove, then ito, E minor 7, and then remove ulit, then C add 9. And try pala ay down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So play natin intro. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down. So kaya na pala mag-timing, lalo sa mga beginners, i-practice nyo ng practice. Pass on verse. Put your first second that we met. Down, down, up. Kaya na pala mag-timing nga. You held my hand, never let it slip. Down, down, na 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 na. Up, down, okay? Up, down, okay? Down, down, up, down, down. So twice, na 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 na. And then doon sa pre-chorus, pakita ko muna. No, 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 no. So first chord dito ay E minor 7. So ganang A minor dito isa. And then second chord ay B minor 7. So tatlo lang. Pwede naman B minor kung di kaya. Kung di kayang ganito, tatlo lang. Mag B minor kung di kaya. Okay? Change ka agad. Down, down, up, down, up. Then C add 9. Hold the C add 9. So ulit. Ito. Or ganito kung di kaya. Then C add 9. And then chorus, yung chorus natin kayo na, repeat lang. Darling now. So repeat lang. Na 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 na. Rest of my life. Okay, repeat lang. Then pati sa outro guys, may outro ito. Ito lang ang chords na ginamit. Parang burst lang, sinabi ko kayo na pala mag-timing. Yan na lahat guys, 2 parts lang pala, 2 parts. Kasi parang mga chords ginamit, intro versus chorus at outro, parang chords ginamit. Mag-iiba lang ito, pre-chorus. So, ulit, kayo na pala mag-timing at mas maganda kung meron kayong audio. Isabayan nyo, kasama ang chords na ginamit sa string pattern. So, mga guys, see you sa mga next uploads. Bye-bye.